Let's put in a window. Okay, glass. Give me a clean paper towel. Rubbing alcohol. I want to clean both sides. I know you just only going to have one side with the sealant sticking to it, adhered to it, but if you clean both sides, then you won't have to, in case you get creative and flip it like that. Looking at it, you won't, you just can't, that way you can't forget which side's clean. So just clean both sides. And inspect your glass before you leave the glass shop. We pick up this package of glass, one of them had a nasty gouge in it right in the middle. I thought, I don't want that. So they're closed over the weekend. I had to wait until I could get back there this morning. And it was Meyerland glass. I believe they're in Stafford. Actually took care of it. They have a big sign at the front door that says once the glass leaves here, it's not our problem. Now, let me put you up here close to the window. And you can see our ledge. That's just a door. My door. But you can see our ledge here. I'll take a little bit of that alcohol and wipe that off. Make sure there's not any dust there. And make sure that before you put your glass in it, you're positive all your little edges are sealed along here. Because if it's not sealed, do with epoxy, it will start turning black, some dark kind of. Well, see how this looks right here? That's just the glue and the plywood, but it'll start turning that color, and you'll know you have a problem. You have to take the glass out and start over. Now I'm using a polyurethane caulk here, and then you just want to go around there and put your, and that's not cut flush. I always try to cut mine flush straight across because I don't. I used to work with a guy that thought if he cut it at a 45-degree angle, it was better for work, but all it did is make his work became a mess. No offense, Tom. Ooh, there it is. Coming in hot. And you just want to go around there and put your little bead. Even bead. It's gonna ooze out. Ooh. Make sure you keep here something close by. It's just gonna be a mess. Then when you try to throw it away, it sticks to your hands. That's what I'm doing behind the camera, trying to get it off my fingers. And you give it a little shake like that, and it should stop it from oozing. Oh, look at my bead here. A little bit heavy there, a little bit light here. Now make sure your bead is solid all the way around. And that's going to be a mess right there, so I like to get that up before I put the window in. You can go back and clean this out. You can do this. The one I did in the past was with rubber silicone. Silicone is not my first choice. It got a little bit heavy up there, but it is what it is. It's a homemade camper. When you pick it up, try not to touch the edges. Let's see. I'm gonna trade spots with you guys, people. You guys. You see just how much of a mess this is. We'll put it on there and we're just gonna wiggle a little wiggling, a little spinning. Because I want it to look the same all the way around. And then, not that way. And then, there's no and then. What movie is that? All right. Something to, little chip to put under here. I like to get it centered as much as possible. With every little bit counts, it all adds up. This isn't centered, that isn't centered, and it begins to show. So that's pretty much it. That's how I install Windows. I'm gonna drop my glasses. So when it dries up, we'll clean it, and I'm gonna spend the rest of the time going around the edges and trying to make sure that the glass is centered. And that's pretty much it. And let it set overnight. Once it sets overnight, then we'll go on the inside and clean it out. So I'll see y'all later, and thanks for watching.